Hi all, in this video we shall show how you can create Oracle Non-CDB database using DBAASCLI in EXADB-D. First, you need to create an Oracle database home with an available version and then create a database in that Oracle home. Here we will see the steps with example to create 19C non-CDB database. Get a list of available supported versions for creating Oracle database using DBAASCLI CSW-lib show images. In this example, we are creating Oracle Home with 19.26. Then download the image locally using the command DBAASCLI CSW-lib download image tag so that we can create DB Home from that. Image tag can be found from the above step. Then create the DB home. To create an Oracle database home of that version, we use DBAASCLI dbcreate command. You can create an Oracle database home with a specified Oracle home name. If you do not specify this, then it is computed automatically. At the end of DB home create execution, we have new DB home name and path detail. We can also find these details from the log. Now you can create a non-CDB database under the DB home created in earlier step. We have provided here the DB name, Oracle Home, and we have set the create as CDB to false. Setting this to false will ensure that the database is a non-CDB. You can then verify the database status and type as non-CDB by querying the $database table. The non-CDB home and database will be available in the OCI console in minutes. After DB is shown in OCI console as below, you can perform all lifecycle operations such as patching, backups, etc. You can also configure data guard association using the OCI console. So you can see over here the data guard associations. We have already added up a standby database for this example. So we have created a peer database for the non-CDB database in Amsterdam. Now from the primary, let's attempt a switchover. So click on switchover, provide the password and click OK. So you can see the database is now gone in an updating state. You can monitor this work request. So the switchover is now completed successfully. So you can see here the database role has now changed to standby. So we go back to the data guard associations and you can see the peer role is changed to primary. So now let's do a failover. So click on failover, provide the password and click OK. So the database is now again in an updating state. So we always do the failover from the standby side. You can now monitor the work request. So as seen here, the work request is successfully completed. So if you see here, now the standby is converted back to a primary database. And if you see the peer role for the earlier primary, it is now showing a disabled standby. So we can now click on the reinstate. So this will bring the database, the earlier primary, into a standby mode. Again, you can monitor the work request. Click on reinstate data guard. So as you can see here, the reinstate has completed successfully. So this is our primary database. And if you click on the data guard association, it is no longer showing as a disabled standby database. So this video basically shows that you can create a non-CDB using the DBAASCLI. Then once the database is available from the OCI console, you can use the OCI console to do lifecycle management directly from the UI or APIs. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.